What's up, guys? Epic 17 here, and this will be, I don't know when the hell it'll be going up, but it is my Elgato unboxing. The reason I don't know when it's going up is because it's Tuesday, October 7th, and I love Terrible Moveset Tuesday, so I don't want to skip it, but I want to get right into here. Oh my god. What's in here? Doing everything at one end is so hard. Oh, yes. My gato. My baby. Oh, right in there. Get right in there. Oh, no, it's the box. Oh, there it is. There it is. Elgato Game Capture HD. Look at it. It's so glorious. Perfect for next gen. Well, my next gen is the Wii U. So I know you work for the Wii U. And I can't wait. Let's get right into here. So it should come with focus. Elgato Game Capture HD, the quick start guide, USB cable, HDMI cable, PlayStation 3 cable, component adapter. So I don't want to rip it completely. Shit, my dad's one. Oh my god, how do I? Okay, there we go. There we go, GG. Rip that shit off. Okay, got it. Just a little bit of thing. Oh my god. I'm about to like fall in love like I've never been in love before. Oh my god. Oh no, there it goes. Elgato. It's so slide it out completely. Sorry about that. Slide it out. High definition game recorder opens, and there's the quick start guide. Here is the actual Elgato. It's small. HDMI out, USB, AVI, HDMI in. And let's open that up this next, and so these should be all the cables, and this is the USB cable, this is the HDMI extra cable that you get, because you need two HDMIs to function the Elgato. This is the component adapter, and this is the PlayStation Classic, or PlayStation 3 adapter. So that is everything you get with the Elgato HD, regular HD, not the HD60, but the regular HD. You get, to recap, you will get the PlayStation 3 cable, the component adapter, the HDMI extra cable, and the mini USB, big USB, mini USB. So, and the Elgato itself, Elgato Game Capture HD. So that's it for this video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and comment and subscribe for more unboxing. I also did an unboxing on PDP Afterglow headphones that I use to record videos that I do not use my phone for, and I also did a Wii U unboxing. So check those out if you haven't. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you feel is necessary with this video, and we'll see you next time. I got games to record.